Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT tablet top 10, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, we have not installed by default the always on display feature on our tablet. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now let's just open the Play Store app, and here in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should just get this application. That's why tap here to install, and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should just click here to open the app, and now let's here tap to draw our apps. Now we should find the Muviz Edge application and click once on the switcher. After that, we should go back to the application, and now let's tap to the AOD section and select one from these available tabs. Then just let's apply the stem, and we should just lock the device right now. Press twice on the power key, and now we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.